Savin Lake Services, Case Study 24.09 Delta, the Clare Dredging Projects. Fall 2024, Clare, Michigan. Once upon a time, the City of Clare had a beautiful lake right within the city limits. Over the last 3 decades, silt and sand entering Lake Shamrock from the Tobacco River accumulated so much debris that new islands actually started forming. Savin Lake Services goals: restore Shamrock to its original splendor so everyone can once again enjoy kayaking, canoeing, fishing, and even a new beach. Meet Little Blue and Red Rover. These 2 dredges have the ability to move nearly 80 metric tons of sand and silt every hour out of the lake and into a massive retention pond over a mile away. No small task. This custom-built retention pond filters the water and returns it right back to the Tobacco River. Call Savin Lake Services to solve your lake dredging problems today. Savin Lake Services. It's a Michigan thing.
Bubba, Guy Savin has stolen our line.
Don't worry, Rhino. I made a trade.
And what would that be?
You know how the St. Patrick's Day's coming up, right?
Huge here in Clare.
And it's huge in Chicago, and they turn the river there green.
That's very cool.
Savin Lake Services has got a pipeline from that river. They're going to take it all the way up to Shamrock and turn Shamrock Lake green for Irish Day.
There's no way they can do that, Bubba.
They sure can. They've got a big truck. There's nothing Savin Lake Services won't do for us or donuts.
And remember,
Cops Doughnuts.
it's a Michigan thing.